Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will show you how to blend text in the background in Photoshop. I have this image as a background. Link of this image mentioned in the description. Select the Type tool and type your text. Select Bieber's font. Press Ctrl+T. Adjust the size. Then select the text layer. Right-click on it to open blending options. Go to the underlying layer option, drag to the left. Then hold the Alt button, break this point, and adjust. And that's it. Isn't it amazing? Thank you for watching.